This canister expires in 4 years. If you don't check that date, it might not work when you actually need it. And that's just one of the mistakes I almost made before driving the ALCAN Highway. 90 days, thousands of miles, and a huge stretch of it through prime Grizzly and black bear territory. Every pull-off, every trailhead, every campsite along the ALCAN. Bear spray isn't optional gear. It's essential gear. And I quickly learned there's a right way and a wrong way to carry it, store it, and use it. Bear spray isn't the same thing as the pepper spray you'd carry for personal safety. It's a much higher concentration designed to cover a wide area fast, and it's built specifically to stop a charging bear, not a person. Don't substitute one for the other. Look for EPA registration. That's the marker of a spray that's actually tested and approved for this use. Check the spray distance and duration. You want something rated for several seconds and a solid range, not a short burst. And check that expiration date before every trip. Mine had a shelf life I didn't expect. Here's the sequence. Remove the safety clip, check your wind direction so it doesn't blow back on you, aim low and slightly downward at a charging bear, and spray in a 2 to 3 second burst when the bear is within range, not before. One mistake people make: spraying it on tents or gear like bug spray. Don't do that. That residue actually attracts bears, and it can end badly for your gear and the animal. On the road, storage matters as much as the spray itself. I kept mine somewhere I could grab it in under 3 seconds. Not buried in a bag, not in the glove box, under everything else. A door pocket or a mounted holster near the RV entrance worked best for me. I'll be honest, I never had to use mine on this trip, but just having it accessible and actually knowing how it worked changed how comfortable I felt at every stop along the way. If you're planning a trip on the ALCAN Highway, don't assume you're safe just because you decide to skip the bear spray. Bears in the wild are unpredictable. They don't follow a schedule, and they don't care whether you're at a scenic pull-off, a gas station, or set up at camp for the night. A close encounter can happen in seconds, and by the time it does, it's too late to wish you'd packed it. This isn't about being fearful out there. It's about being prepared enough that you can actually enjoy the trip. This kind of prep is exactly the mindset behind the cross-country RV trip kit, the real system I used to plan and survive this whole 90-day drive to Alaska. The link's in the description. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Happy camping!